To demonstrate insert, I'll be using a separate class. So let me create that here. Insert demo. I'll take some code part from our existing example. I'll be using some existing code portions. Mongo client. Then the connection to the database and the collection. In our case, do remember that we created a database by name C# demo DB. I'll be connecting to that, then to the products collection under that. The next step is to insert one. For that, we need to create a bzone document first. Dot add the fields, category, string value is going to be electronics, then again I'm going to add few more fields, key value pairs, the name of the product, it's going to be the Amazon Echo Speaker, price, it's going to be around $180. Now we have created a bzone document. The next step is to call insert one function in the collection, insert one, and then the document name. Now let me call this main function in our main program. On running this, we must see a new record inserted. Refresh. Yes, we got one record. Let's see the records. We have three fields now: category, name, and price. A single insert has been done. That's what it's called as insert one. The next step is to do multiple inserts. For that, we need multiple documents in a list form, and then we'll be calling the insert many like this. Insert many. Okay. One, that's two, that's three. Category is electronics. Price is going to be $32 or $33. It's command 37. The next one is mechanic kit. Price is around $90. And finally, it's kitchen timer, price Apple, price is around $10. Let me add all this to a list of docs. There's going to be new list of based on documents, list of docs dot add doc1 doc2 doc3. Just need to change the same here, doc1 doc1, this is doc2, oops, doc2 and doc3 followed by doc3. It's going to be list docs. This will do multiple inserts for a single method call. Let me run this one. We must see multiple records now. Yes, we got all the records what we have done as a batch operation in insert many. So this is how insert one and insert many works. The next in our list is find and find with query. We'll be knowing more about find with query when we are going to use that with limit, sort, filters and projections. So now let us see a simple demo using find and find with query. First up, I'm going to create a separate class for find. I'll be using the code portions from the previous examples. We are going to search in this database and in this collection. Now on this collection, I'm going to do a find query. It's going to take an argument of a document, that's based on document. Initially, I'm going to give an empty document so that I'll be getting all the records there. To list is the simplest way, or you can use cursor also. I'll go with list currently. Let me do a code formatting. Oops, I haven't called this in the program. Now we got all the documents in that collection. Now let me introduce a condition so that it's going to filter based on price. Let me give the value as 90. price 90. On running this, we must find items with only price 90 is listed. This is how find with query works. We'll be seeing more about this while we are going to see about limit, sort, filters and projections using builders. So our next topic is going to be on this for. Let us start with limiting first. It's very easy. You just need to call the limit method here, and the number of rows, the number of documents need to be displayed. In my case, I'll be getting 3. Oops. Prior to that, I want to take out this condition. So we got 3 listed here. So this is how limit works. The next step is to have sorting. For sorting, we'll be using builders. That's very easy. So builder equal to builders. It's going to be here. bzone document dot sort. That's it. Variable sorting is equal to, on this builder we are going to call the ascending method or the descending method. We have ascending. I want to list the prices in ascending order. I will take the column, the field name here as price. So this must give us the result in ascending order. So we must pause this sorting, call the sort, and then pause this. That's it. So we must get the top 3 least priced products. This is the result. This is how it is in the DB. So 10 is there, 10 is there, and 33 is there. And more 33 is there, but we have limited the results by 3. So we got it. Sorting works fine. The next step is to have projection, because as you can see currently you get the ID field. I want to filter this ID field and the category field. I just want only the name and the price. It's a different builder. So builder projection is builders. Builders bzone document type dot projection. That's done. Now the next step is to do the projection configuration is going to be builder underscore project dot. We got include and exclude. I'll be including the price and the name. I'll be excluding the ID column. So we got a new projection. Let me take out this sorting now. Want to do a projection. So we got project method. I'll be pausing projection config. On running this, we must see only the required columns get displayed here. So name column we got and the price column. We have excluded the category and the ID column. So this is how sort, projection and limit works. Now let us move to the next one.